Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily install and set up the application for your MARSHALL KILBURN III on your iPhone or iPad device. At first we need to enter settings, pardon me, not settings, we have to go to App Store actually. And here we have to now tap this icon over here. Here we have to tap on this Marshall Bluetooth after we type here Marshall, and here Marshall Bluetooth, and this is the application Marshall Bluetooth for Marshall Group AB. We have to tap here Get button, because you'll see here the Get button, and after clicking the Get button you have to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID or the Touch ID. After installing this application, we have to tap Open. Now Allow, and here we have to agree for the end user's license agreement, and then Next. Here we can enter our mail to sign up for the newsletter, but I usually skip this part. We have to tap skip here. Here again skip, and that's how to set the application. If you want to know how to add your MARSHALL KILBURN III speaker to your smartphone application, check our channel because we have a video for that. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.